Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new here, consider subscribing. This channel is mainly hair, beauty, and fashion. We will be reinstalling, or actually installing, the wig that you seen from last video. I didn't know that last video would end up being a part 2, but the first install didn't go quite correctly. And being that I am a beginner, and I know that a lot of you that are watching are beginners, I know how discouraging that can be. I used this Bold Hold glue for the first time, and for some reason it just wasn't going right. I thought about coming back on and just doing my regular Got To Be, which I know works for me, but I know a lot of my people who watch are beginners, so I don't want you to feel the need to take this expensive $20–$30 glue and stick it in the corner of your room and never use it. I am going to retry to do this to correct those mistakes. We're just gonna try and correct that and jump right into the video. Here you see me brushing back my hair so that I don't get that glue on any of my hair. You guys don't want that. This glue will take your hair with it, okay? So I did revert it back to its normal body wave texture. So I used my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Mousse. That was supposed to say mousse. But yes, we put on that wig, and make sure you adjust it because we will be prepping to go ahead and glue it down. Now I parted it down the middle. I don't know why, I'm not really a middle part girl, but for this wig I was feeling it. I was doing this where I was gonna, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, you guys. I was going to style it first and then glue it down, but for some reason I just changed my mind, and now I'm going to glue it down and then style it. So let's do that. You know, sometimes that's how things go. But I did go ahead and separate into those 3 same parts, middle, left, right. And I put 3 layers of glue on each part. Now make sure in between those layers, you're letting it dry clear using your blow dryer on the cool setting. This actually can be done all at once, I've learned. So keep that in mind. I figured it out that for next time, I'm going to try and do it all at once, so I'm not waiting separately for each of those sides to dry, and that will save a lot of time. So another thing that I think I was doing, instead of laying the hair, how do I want to say this? Instead of just laying the hair on top of the glue, I was pulling the hair. So that created tension to where the glue dried. Keep going, thick auntie. So the glue dried, but it dried to hold the wig forward. So when the tension got enough, it pulled the wig back. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. But yeah, that's looking pretty good right now. So I did decide to go ahead and outline my hairline with a eyeliner pencil, just so I know exactly where to put that glue. So just keeping in mind so that your glue or your lace does not lift after gluing it down, make sure you just lift that lace up, place the glue where you want it, and then place that lace back down. I did follow up with the Got To Be freeze spray for places that didn't stick down as well as I hoped, which was really just that left ear flap side. But I got a little carried away as normal, and I went through my whole hairline just to make sure we got a good seal. I mean, what's wrong with that? So I just dabbed with a napkin and made sure that that got glued down. Also, make sure when you're using the freeze spray to fine tooth comb it so your hairs don't stick together. I finished that off with putting down a hairline to hold that down while I styled the hair, and then I just pulled it a little forward to style it exactly where I want it. Now to flatten the hair, I used the blow dryer on the warm or hot setting. I don't really remember, but since it wasn't directly on my skin, that's okay to do. And then I went ahead and flat ironed that just so we can get that down. Now you see that hairline is pretty dense, so I did tweeze that hairline, and then I pulled up a part and went ahead and tweezed a little more. I was a little nervous, so I didn't tweeze as much as I should have because I have balded hair before, but you can go ahead and tweeze that because opening up the part does help that to look natural. I put on some concealer to help with making that part look natural as well. If this concealer gets on the hair, don't worry about that. That's easily wiped off. I then went ahead and started to style, first by putting in my argan oil mousse by Creme of Nature. I really love this mousse, so just in case you're looking for a good mousse, this is a good one, and it smells really good too. Anyway, so I really just put that all over, and man, y'all could see this hair just came to life. It is so pretty. I can't even describe how beautiful and how happy I was with this install. And I went ahead and took out that satin, what is this called? Satin hair tie. Can you tell I'm feeling it? I'm feeling it. I parted the part that was covered up and then went ahead and put a little Studio Fix MAC powder, which is a dry foundation, on the part, and that just helped with making it look even more natural. So I really did like that. I cut in some baby hairs. Y'all know I'm still learning with these baby hairs, but yes, I went ahead and cut a few out. And then I got a little curious when I was looking around at the hairline. I was like, let's see how sturdy and held down this is. And y'all could see she ain't going nowhere. She ain't going nowhere. That white cast, I forgot for some reason. I guess I just didn't see it in the mirror, but I didn't put any foundation on. But you can put some foundation on and also wipe a little bit with an alcohol pad to get that white cast off. Put down the baby hairs or slick down the baby hairs, I guess. And I would use the mousse sparingly, like put it on the brush first or put it on your hand first and then apply to the hair. But anyways, this was the finished look and I love this wig. Tell me what you guys think. I played with a ponytail and I don't know, which one do you like best? Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.